Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 2 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped those stocks of interest in the comment section of our last video. Now, before we begin, again, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in, and also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos, right? So let's begin right off the bat. So we got the SPY right now, and the SPY is getting worse and worse. I kind of forgot to talk about the SPY where it was gonna go at least in yesterday's video, but when I was explaining Google, I was telling everybody that I was short-term bearish. That applies to the SPY too. Now I think that it's going to go just a little bit lower, and the reason why is because Facebook is not done yet. I don't think Facebook is done yet. And also, if you look on the daily chart and then you zoom in right here, you can clearly see that there is this evening star in progress. All right. First, we got the rejection from this dragonfly doji at this level right here at 45.75, and then we got the turnaround, and now this candle is supposed to close at around like 44.70, no, at 44.80. I mean 44.80, and if it does, then that would be an indication that the next potentially few days may be bearish. All right, but right now this is not it's not looking too good for the moment. Where is it going to go on Friday? Where is it going to go next week? Are people expecting just this thing to? Are we expecting the market to just do this and fall all the way down and kind of form like and make a higher low right here, right? Or could we just trickle down and go down even further, like like that, and then we just move downward? You see, so these are some things that y'all should definitely keep in consideration, especially for today moving forward. The road is going to be like it's going to have some twists and some turns, so definitely try to like adjust and adapt to the market conditions. Okay, now the first stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list for today, that stock is Tesla. All right. Now with Tesla right now, it's been trying to recover for a while. It bounced from the lows of 800, right? It had kind of a rally throughout the past like 3 to 4 days, and then it slowed down. Now if we zoom into the chart, if we get really really close and you look at the 1 hour, you can see that there is kind of like this reverse head and shoulders that wants to form. It wants to form. It's like really, really, really close. We got the neckline up here, right? And then we got the left shoulder, the head, and then potentially the right shoulder. Today may be the right shoulder where it falls all the way down towards like $850. So definitely keep that one into your watch list for today. There may be a little bit of a pump fake at the open, but I don't think so. I think it's just gonna fall. I think it's just going to fall. All right. And now the next thing to worry about is if there is no inverse head and shoulders. If it starts dragging and the right shoulder becomes really really wide, and it just keeps dragging on, then there may be more downside, and we may break below 800. There may be. All right. There may be. But for now, just trade what's in the front of you. It started being bearish since yesterday, and we were tracking this thing in the Discord. We were tracking it on a 5 minute and on the 3 minute actually. If you look on how it actually started, if you look how it actually started over here, first we had this descending triangle that broke down right there. All right, the day itself was just bearish. It broke down right here, right there. All right, and then later on, it actually formed this thing that is actually kind of hard to see right there. from these lows all the way until the close right here. All right, right there, and then we got another one right over here, a bearish penny, and it broke down at the close with like really weak volume, very tricky, but it turned out clean, and right now it looks like it wants to just fall a little bit lower. So that's the first one for today. Now the next one for today, that stock is F. All right, let's check out F real quick. Now with F looks like it wants to fall. It really does. It has earnings today, so be careful of that. Be careful. It has earnings. Again, as I always say, holding anything through earnings is 150% gambling and the fastest way to lose all of your money. But with F, if you're low on the daily, if you go on the daily, it had a massive uptrend, right? Huge uptrend. The flag that we saw on the, I think it was the weekly chart, it went to 24 already. Like it kind of did its job, and now it's cooling down. And today it has earnings. So, which way to go? I think today is gonna have a massive move. I really do. Either to the upside or to the downside. I don't think it's going to crush traders. By IV crush, I mean like where it pretty much just chops after hours and just stays in the same spot, and then both sides will lose. I think one side is going to win. Whether it's going to spike all the way up towards like $24 or it's going to drop to 16 bucks. But I think there is an opportunity on here, and I definitely want to share this one with y'all. All right, so that is pretty much the top 2 stocks for this video. We're gonna address AMC. All right, just one stock. AMC, I don't think it's quite done dropping. Like a long time ago, I told y'all to watch this move for a drop to $12. I don't think it's done yet. I think it's about to open up at like $14.95, right? It may have a little bit of a pump fake at the open, and then immediately start to like fall down to $12, essentially, right? So that's my thoughts on it. My thoughts are not changing at all, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are brand new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are supposed to be released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you would like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you are not following us on social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter and Facebook as well. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes for you to get set up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.